10th chapter, Applications of Derivatives. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1B, part 17. Last part completed length of the tangent, normal, subtangent, subnormal model problems completed. Today discuss introduction of the angle between the two curves. What is the meaning of angle between the two curves? Here, if two curves are intersected at a point P, between the tangents, suppose this is the first curve, this one is the second curve. Suppose these two curves are intersected any 2 points here. This is suppose P, this one is Q. The first curve, suppose this is first curve is y is equal to f of x. Second curve is y is equal to g of x. Here, this is the tangent of the first curve. This is the tangent of the second curve. Angle between these two is theta. This theta is called angle between the two curves. Understood or not? Suppose here another point is that this is one more tangent. This is one more tangent. Angle between these two also be called angle between the two curves. This is the angle between the two curves. Some curves having 2 points intersected. Some curves are intersected only 1 point. That is depend upon the curves. This is the angle between the two curves definition. If the angle between the two curves is theta, then tan theta is equal to formula is there. That is m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is the formula. In this formula, m1 is what? m1 is the slope of the tangent of the first curve. Slope of the tangent of the first curve is called m1. m2 is the slope of the tangent of the second curve is called m2. If two curves are touch each other, then the slopes are equal. If two curves are touch each other, then the slopes are equal. Suppose this curve, both are touch each other. In this case, in these two curves having slope of the tangents are equal. This is a very, very important point. This time angle between the two curves is 0. After that, if two curves are perpendicular to each other, this is the two curves perpendicular to each other, then m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. The product of the slope of the tangent is equal to minus 1. In that case, two curves are mutually perpendicular or the angle between the two curves having 90 degrees. This is the angle between the two curves definition. This is the formula. This is the diagram. Okay, students, understood or not? This is the condition of touch each other. This is the condition of perpendicular to each other or mutually perpendicular. In this model problem explained next to exercise 10b. In this exercise, what is the question? Find the angle between the two curves of the following. What is the first curve? Y square equal to 4x. Second curve, x square plus y square equal to 5. What is the angle between the two curves formula? Tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Here first you can find point. First you can find the intersection of the two curves point. You can find point. First you can write the first curve. Y square equal to 4x. You can write the equation 1. X square plus y square equal to 5. You can write the equation 2. In place of y square in equation 2, substitute 4x. You get what, students? 2 implies x square plus y square value is 4x is equal to 5. Then you can write x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Here, this is a quadratic equation in terms of x. This having 2 roots. First, you can find roots 1 into minus 5. That is minus 5. Minus plus 5 into minus 1 equal to minus 5. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. One root is 5, another one is minus 1. You can write x square plus 5x minus x minus 5 equal to 0. In this two terms, you can common x, you get x plus 5. In this two terms, you can common minus 1, you get x plus 5. In this two terms, you can common x plus 5, you get x minus 1 equal to 0. Here x plus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 1. You get the two values of x. These two values are x substituted in equation 1. You get 2 points. First you get case 1. What is the case 1? If x is equal to minus 5, substituted in equation 1 implies y square equal to 4 into x. 4 into x value is minus 5, you can write minus 20. Then y is equal to square root of minus 20. This is possible or not? Square root of minus 20 nothing but it is not a real number, that is complex number. That's why it is not possible. Impossible. That's why point not defined. Here, if x is equal to minus 5, point cannot be defined by because that point is not a real number. Next, case 2. It goes to case 2. If x is equal to 1, substituted in equation 1 implies y square equal to 4 into 1, you can write 4. Y is equal to square root of 4, y is equal to, you can write plus or minus 2. Square root of 4 nothing but what? Plus or minus 2? 1 point, they 4 points. They 4 points are. First point is what students? First point x coordinate is 1, y coordinate you can write minus 2. Second point x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 2. Here x coordinates are equal, y coordinates are different. These 2 points are intersected point of the curves. These two curves are intersected 2 points. One is 1 comma minus 2, another one is 1 comma 2. First you can find the slope of the tangent of the first curve. After you can find second curve. Which point you have to take, that is your wish. Suppose first slope of the tangent first curve you can find, you can use first point. Similarly you can find the second curve slope of the tangent. Similar point you can use, same point you can use. Understood or not? You have to take any one point, you can find the slope of the tangent. That's why first you have to take equation 1, y square equal to 4x. Derivative on both sides with respect to 2x. You get what students? Derivative d by dx of y square equal to 4, get common d by dx of x. Y square derivative 2y into d by dx of y equal to 4 into x derivative 1. 2 1s are 2 2s are y into dy by dx is equal to 2. Then dy by dx is equal to 2 by y. What is the formula of slope of the tangent? St. St is the slope of the tangent formula. Dy by dx at point P. Here P point is given. Here P point is given. Here P 2 points are given. One is 1 comma minus 2, another one is 1 comma 2. You can use which point? I am taking this point. Here that's why you can write slope of the tangent. First curve of the slope of the tangent you can write m1. This is the first curve. You can find slope of the tangent, that is m1 equal to 2 by y. 2 by y at the point 1 comma minus 2. This is x, this is y. Substituted m1 equal to 2 by value is minus 2. 2 to get cancelled. m1 value is minus 1. This is the slope of the first curve completed. Next, you have to take second curve. What is the second curve? X square plus y square equal to 5. Derivative on both sides with respect to 2x. You get right. Derivative of x square plus derivative of y square is equal to derivative of 5. Here derivative of x square nothing but 2x. Derivative of y square nothing but 2y into derivative of y is equal to constant derivative is what friends? 0. That's why you can write that 2x is equal to this total value goes to minus 2y into dy by dx. Minus 2y into dy by dx. Here 2 get cancel. X is equal to minus y into dy by dx. You can write dy by dx equal to what? dy by dx equal, you can write this value here. You get what? X by minus y. X by minus y, you can write dy by dx equal to minus x by y. Therefore, slope of the tangent of the second curve. Slope of the tangent of the first curve you can write m1. Slope of the tangent of the second curve you can write m2 equal to dy by dx at the point P. Here you can use which point students? Which point you can use? First you have to take point 1 comma minus 2. That point also you have to take. That's why second point you have not taken. Understood or not? Suppose you have to take second point, first curve. similar you have to take second point in the second curve. That's why any one point you can use. That's why you can write m2 equal to d by dx is minus x by y. If the point is given, point is you have to take 1 comma minus 2. This is x, this is y. m2 equal to minus 1 by x value 1 by minus 2. m2 equal what here? 1 by 2. Here m2 is coming and m1 also be coming, that is minus 1. m2 value is 1 by 2. After that you can write angle between the two curves, substitute that angle between the two curves, formulas. Angle between the two curves. Angle between the two curves is theta. Then tan theta equal formula is what? m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is the formula. In this formula you can write tan theta is equal to m1 value what here? m1 value minus 1 minus m2 value 1 by 2 whole by 1 plus m1 value is minus 1, m2 value is 1 by 2. That's why we have to take LCM. 2 is LCM. Minus 2 minus 1 by. Here also you can write 1 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 into 1 you can write minus 1 by 2. After that you can write minus 3 by 2 by. We have to take LCM. 2 is LCM. 2 minus 1. 2 get cancelled. Minus 3 by 1. 2 minus 1 value 1, minus 3 by 1. You have to take modulus. This is formula having modulus. Modulus of minus 3. Tan theta is equal to modulus of minus 3. What is the value of modulus of minus 3? Then theta equal to what? Theta is equal to tan inverse of 3. This is the angle between these two curves. Angle between the two curves is theta is what also? Theta equal to tan inverse of. This is the process of any problem. This is very important 7 marks bit. Any problem, two curves are given, you can find the slopes. After that formula you can write, or that formula you can substitute that values, you get answer. Understood? In this way you can do that every problem. Next, today assignment problems are homework problem. First problem is y square is equal to 8x given, 4x square plus y square equal to 32 is given. Here this y square equal to 8x substituted in this place. 4x square plus 8x is equal to 32. You can common all terms 4. X square plus 4 2s are 4x. Then you can write x square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. 1 into minus 8 you can write minus 8. 2 4s are how much? 2 4s are minus 8. That's why you can write 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 8. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. One root is 4, another one is minus 2. Write down in this equation. You get 2x values. Case 1, that x value substituted this equation 1, you get 1 point. X value another point you get. Understand? This problem you can do that similar problem model. After that derivative first curve and derivative second curve. You can find the slope of the tangent of the first curve m1, slope of the tangent of the second curve, that is m2. After that tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 and
x plus 5 plus 2 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 10 by equal to 0. See students, in this place we can write y is equal to minus x minus 2. Y is equal to minus of x plus 2. Substitute in this equation you get what? X square plus minus of x plus 2 whole square minus 10 into minus of x plus 2 equal to 0. After that x square plus minus whole square nothing but plus a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab 4x minus into minus plus 10x plus 20 equal to 0. This 2x square plus 14x plus 24 equal to 0. All terms to get common. X square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. 3 into 4 is 12. 1 into 12 12. 3 4 is 12. 1 is 3. Another one is 4x. 1 is 3x. Another one is 4x plus 12. Here x square. These two term x common. These two term 4 common. Remaining simplified similar way. The two values substituted in this way, you get y values. You get two intersected points. You have to take any one intersected point. That is your wish. After the slope of the tangent find. First curve, slope of the tangent of the second curve find. After the tan theta equal formula is there. That is which formula? m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. You can get this formula. Understood? In this way you can do that